Mean, median, and mode are like three witnesses describing the same event. They may all be right, but not equally useful. Welcome to another Inspirar Data Analysis Explainer. I am Dr. Barnabas. In this lesson, we are comparing three common summaries of data: mean, median, and mode. The important question is not just how to calculate them, but when each one tells the better story. The mistake is to report the mean automatically without checking the data. Sometimes the mean is useful. Sometimes the median is more reliable because of outliers. And sometimes the mode is useful because we want to know the most common value. So, do not just report a number. Ask whether that number truly represents the data. At Inspirar, we teach students to understand the story behind the statistics.